this year, you can now use an interactive tool to get a sense of your chances of getting an offer from the lottery. You can access the tool by going to oaklandschoolfinder.org and clicking on the Lottery Offer Data button in the upper left-hand corner. This tool uses information from last year to show how many students applied to each public school and how many of those got a lottery offer. Once you're in the tool, go to the language where you're most comfortable working. First step, choose the grade that you're applying for. Note that you can only choose one grade at a time. Second step, choose the schools you wish to apply for. You can select as many schools as you'd like. If you'd like to compare all schools, click the button next to all. For this example, I'm just going to be looking at 2 different schools. You'll notice after I select the schools that several graphs have appeared on the page. The leftmost column shows the percentage of students who applied to each school at that grade who had at least one priority who got an offer. The rightmost column shows the percentage of students who applied to that school in that grade without a priority who got an offer. So we can see here 100% of students who applied to Arise and Oakland Tech with at least one priority got an offer, whereas 39% of students who applied without a priority to Arise got an offer, and 13% of students who applied to Oakland Tech without a priority got an offer. As you can see, having a priority or not can make a big difference in your chances of getting an offer. But how do you know if you have one? Hover over the colored bar next to the school to see the school's priorities. So here we hover over Arise's bar and we can see a list of their priorities. We hover over Oakland Tech's and we can see a list of their priorities. When you hover over, you can also see other information about the school. You can see whether it's a district or charter school, and you can see the number of students who applied in that category and the number of students who got an offer. So here with Oakland Tech, we can see 657 students who without a priority applied, and 87 of those students got an offer. Whereas we can see it with Arise, 187 students without a priority applied, and 72 of those students got an offer. Note that all district schools also give priority to students who live in Oakland. Almost all charter schools do so as well. To read more detailed information about this data and about priorities, go to the More tab. You can change schools and grades to compare your chances of getting a lottery offer to various schools. Apply to multiple schools to increase your chances of getting an offer to a school of your choice. And don't forget the deadline for both district and charter schools is February 5th, 2021.